This is my Saturn Ion. As you can see where it says there, power steering. I don't know what the hell is going on. Look at this. Keys out the ignition, car still runs. Car still running. The car is still running. Look at that. No keys. Here's the keys. Look at that. Here's the keys. Here's the keys. Car still running. Here's the keys. Here's the keys. Car still running. Car still running. Look at that. Isn't that something? Look, I'll turn it on and then it'll stop. There you go. It just stopped.